Welcome to yet another Royal Family meeting. Welcome back, baddies. I'm glad to have y'all at another Business Baddie meeting, Baddie Business Meeting. And if you are new here, welcome, new family member. I am glad to have you at our Baddie Business Meeting. In today's meeting, I will be teaching you guys how I make my base. I probably do two separate videos since I do use two separate bases. I use two separate recipes to make base. So let's just hop right into it. We making half a cup of gloss. So we gotta get up to 118 milliliters. Half a cup of gloss will get you around, hold on, I gotta look at my notes. Half a cup of gloss will get you like 7 to 20, 24, 25 tubes. 7 to 30 tubes probably. I don't know how many. I gotta look at my notes. Oh, that's good. So we supposed to be at 118, but we at 120, so that's okay. So actually, let me take a little bit of it, cause I still got more. No, I'ma leave it. That's good. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, half a cup of gloss will get you around 17. So this should be able to give you around 17 to like almost 24 tubes approximately, based off like the different sizes of the tubes. Like if it's a 5 milliliter tube, then you'll probably get more lip gloss out of this. So this is just me preparing my stuff to sell. So I'm gonna start out with as little as I can to see how the colors sell and stuff like that. So yeah, this would be half a cup. Then I'm gonna do 2 ounces of coconut oil. That's 50. I'm gonna do 2 ounces, which is 59 milliliters. Okay, now I'm gonna mix. I got this recipe from somebody else, so her name is Keish Go on YouTube. Now I'm gonna add some polyisobutene. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. This stuff is really sticky. 1 teaspoon polyisobutene. This the stuff that make it this the stuff that make it shine. This is my first time using this kind. It's from Making Cosmetics. This is my first time using theirs. Also, this is my first time using this Versagel, Making Cosmetics. Can y'all see that right there? That right there. Making Cosmetics. Usually I would have TKB. And I noticed with TKBs, if you put too much polyisobutene, if you put too much polyisobutene with TKB, then theirs will make your lip gloss look like plastic. So the girl that I got this from, which is, her name is Quiche Though on YouTube. Quiche Though. Shout out to her. The girl who I got this recipe from, she put 6 milliliters, and I looked it up. 6 milliliters is equivalent to about 1 teaspoon of 6 milliliters is equivalent to about 1 teaspoon. So now we mix. I can see the shine already. I know y'all can see. Dang, that's crazy. We mix. I'm not done, y'all. I just want to close this up first because this is really sticky. But it seems like it's really good. Seems like it's gonna be really good. And I want to get this stuff off the edges so it don't get on my gloves. Although I do scrape as much as I can without making a mess though. Cause the more you scrape, then you still putting it back around the edges and stuff like that. If y'all get what I'm saying. Ooh, this is so luscious and pretty. Y'all see that? How that just made it? It just gave it that real shine, y'all. I really recommend this for Making Cosmetics. No, I'm not sponsored by them. Hopefully, we can do some. Polyisobutene 1200. It's the 10.6 ounce. Oh yeah, this looks really good. It just gave it a pop. Y'all know. Ooh, that looks so pretty. It just gave it that pop. So yeah, I'm gonna be making another base recipe, but I'm gonna be using Quiche recipe to see how I like it so far. If I want to add or tweak anything, then I will let you guys know what I tweaked. Which next time I might want to add more Versagel. So mine will probably be, I'll probably tweak the recipe and just add more Versagel. She said you can add more coconut oil. You can add whatever you want. It's until you get it to a consistency that you like. Yeah, and I feel like that polyisobutene did make it more runny than it just was. I just want it a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna put it back on the scale so I can add a little bit more Versagel. So y'all, I put it in a different bowl so it could be easier for me to mix. And then I ended up adding, so yeah, it's going back in this bowl. I ended up adding 53 more milliliters of Versagel, so that's we are over half a cup now, because I wanted it a little bit thicker, which I'm gonna end up tweaking the recipe a little bit more. But thanks to Keish, she gave me somewhere to start, so big ups to her. Recipe bomb. It look bomb on your lips. It's real glossy. Real glossy, and that's thanks to the Polyisobutene. I got mine from Making Cosmetics. You can get it from TKB or any other place that might sell cosmetics. Okay, so now I'm gonna transfer this and label, and I'm just cleaning the excess off the sides so it won't be as messy when I open it again. Okay, so that's the clear base. And that is all for this Baddie business meeting. Tell me if you guys would like to see more meetings like this. What type of meetings would you guys like to see? Did you learn anything from this meeting? If there was something that I forgot to mention that you thought I should have mentioned, drop it in the comments. And if you would like to catch more of the Baddies vibe, you can on Instagram at the Royal Baddie. If you would like to catch more of the Baddies vibe by listening to my vibes, you can on YouTube at the Royal Baddie. And if you would like to check out the website, it is down in the description box below, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. If you would like to check out our Instagram page, it is Royal Baddie Cosmetics. And all the links are in the description box. Until next time, baddies, meeting adjourned. Mwah. Bye.